Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
Menteri ke Sorkar Jilla, uba pej ka tanat ka Kot ka Khia, uba Alexander Elhek, ha ka arpu artrik unai leber arjar arpu wai ula pentip baka Sorkar Jilla kam Shym la Shong thaj ban Shna ki sub center ki public health center bat ye ki community health center ha ki benta bapher jong ka Jilla khnang ban penjana ye ka jing shakri ha ka liang ka Kot ka Khia shiki paj ba nong Shong Shnong jong ka Jilla haba ye keren bat ka Batisi TV uba Alexander uliyatho baki don bon tili ki jaka ai jing sumar baka Sorkar kala Shna bat ki badang sa ateng ban pendem Kontobru ya ki nursing schools, but ki don katto kat ni ki jaka, bala penlong shipor kum ki corona care centers, ya ki bala jan Shna pendep kat kum kathong kabala bu.
The entire health department, they have been working, you have seen we have been upgrading so many sub-center to PAC, from PAC to CAC, and also the MCH hospital, so many CH hospital under construction. The nursing school also completed. Now because of some of them have been used as the corona care center or quarantine center. So that also it is in the almost completion is completed, but we are going to make it functional. The health department has been working day and night because we are working very, very hard. Many will come, but today also we have laid one foundation stone there at Dr. Malay Muntlong for the upgradation of the sub-center to PHC. This has been doing last week also we have done for upgradation of Maurangning PHC to CHC. So this is a regular features doing by the health department. So we are not sitting like that only because we are doing our homework actively involved with all the health principal secretary till the health workers in the health department. We are saying agree with them also. When we are working, everybody is saying how much we have been putting in efforts and our responsibility in the service to health department. How we can believe that?